Hello my beautiful grade 3, how are you doing? Hope everything is fine and okay. So today we have a new lesson which is quotient with reminders. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open your page 372, so I'm gonna try to open it with you. So please on your page 372. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is actually we're gonna continue what we did yesterday and before yesterday, actually the previous lessons about the division. If you didn't watch the division series, let's say the division lessons, please go back and just try to revise them and to watch them and to do them. I'm sure that you did. You are super students. So what we're gonna do now is obviously gonna just continue, okay? So for here we will do our division. We have today 47 divided by 3. Okay, or we can write it like this, 47 divided by 3. Okay, so for me, what I will do is I'm gonna start again doing the steps with you. So please focus on the steps. I'm gonna start by writing my division. 47 divided by 3. You can just do it in your way. What we start with is we take the tens, as we did before, and we see, of course, we see the number, obviously. If the number is too big, of course, you're gonna start with the tens over here. So 3 by what gives me 4? 3 by what gives me 4? 3 by nothing gives me 4, but we know that 3 by 1 is 3, so it's less than 4, but it could work. So you're going to do 3, and you're going to do 1. 3 by 1 is 3. You're going to do our subtraction, which is minus. Then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, okay? Now what we're going to do, so this was the first lesson. The second lesson, what we said, what we do for this one, the leftover, we put it right down, then we're gonna write it over here. This arrow, it saves like a lot of thinking. Just put it, gonna makes everything easier for you. So we put the 7 down over here. Now we have 17. Now we're gonna work with the 17. 3 by what gives me 17? Actually, you know the multiplication table, and you know that nothing, 3 by nothing gives me 17. What we're going to do is, we're going to see the nearest. So, the nearest one is, as you can guess, for example, is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 equals what, grade 3? Super, 3 by 5 is 15. Okay, now we're going to do our subtraction again. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we have the 2. Now you're going to tell me, teacher, what I'm going to do with this 2. So actually, this is today's lesson. We're going to work with the reminders that we did before. If you remember that, the first lessons about the division. So this 2 over here, we're going to call it a reminder. So what you're gonna do with this 2, you're not, because 2 is less than 3. When the number here is less than this number and you have nothing to put it down, okay, here it was less, but we had 7. We could put it down and we have a big number now, so we worked with it. But here in this step, I have nothing here left, so I can't do anything down. So, and this number is less than this one, so it's kind of impossible, inshallah, when you're gonna grow up. And next year you will know how we can deal with this. But for now, what we do is we're gonna say reminder 2, which is 2 that's like a leftover. Okay, so basically here we don't have a happy face, we have a reminder. Okay, so the answer here, 40, let's write it here, 47 divided by 3 equals 15, reminder 2. This is the answer. Do you see it? Now, if you want to check your work, if you did it well, all what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring the 15, this one, you're gonna multiply it by 3, okay, and then it's gonna give you 4, it's gonna give you 45. When it's gonna give you 45, what you're gonna do is you're gonna add the remainder. We're gonna do plus 2. Now here, 5 plus 2 is 7, and the 4 plus 0 is 4. Here is our 47. So our work is correct, and I can give you my signature stars. So that's it. Basically, it's very easy. This is today's lesson. Those are the steps. You're just gonna stop where we used to stop in the previous lesson, but you're gonna say this leftover is a reminder. So you're gonna say a reminder and the number.